Most welcome everybody wherever you are. This is Likuni River Banks Online TV. Yes, indeed. It was a very beautiful day and a very busy day today. Yes, Malawi has got a newly elected president, none other than Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, the younger brother to Bingu Mutharika. That was a very beautiful inauguration ceremony which took place in Blantyre. Yes, you know, a lot of things are happening here in Malawi, from Central Region, Northern Region, Southern Region, even though across the border, Zambia, Kenya, Uganda, Somalia, across Africa, even overseas. We're gonna be talking all of these stories here on Likuni River Banks Online TV, so you might have got some ideas or opinion. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. So please subscribe to this channel.